Starting to get nasty, boys. There was a gust a little while ago that started to move the car.
That idea, I said move the car, maybe park it around the back.